Good morning, one and all present here. I am here to talk about the vision of our inspirational founder, Dr. Elizabeth Schramm, who had great desire in doing great things for the society. As Carl Rogers suggests, the world is full of kind and generous people who can inspire great optimism. Excellence in education is not only Dr. Schramm's focus, a central ambition is to bring out the difference in the method of teaching and creativity among the teachers. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am privileged to talk about Dr. Elizabeth Schramm's vision in TSA. Dr. Elizabeth Schramm had started TSA in 2000 as a primary school with 80 students, which now empowers 3,000 students who have the potential to change the world. Dr. Schramm's vision was to create a school with a difference, where innovation and creativity would be the hallmark of every TSA student. We, the Schramm Academy, keep this goal in our mind. With confidence, commitment, and provide our students the best knowledge and skills to impact the society and transform 21st century India. We inculcate self-discipline in our students. At the same time, give them the freedom to express their thoughts and abilities. We give them space to develop their creativity, and our students always make a difference. TSA believes in the holistic development of the students. Hence, we nurture physical, mental, emotional growth and responsible behavior in students. You would have noticed in TSA, most of the programs are organized and conducted by the students. Teachers remain as facilitators, scaffolding the abilities of their students. Dr. Sham's vision was not only to make excellent students. Ma'am was of the opinion that excellent teachers only can make excellent students. Hence, we always upgrade our teachers by giving quality training, seminars, symposium, collaboration with foreign faculty, etc. At the time of pandemic also, our teachers were able to adapt quickly to the changing scenarios and we could start online classes without wasting time. Ma'am wanted to promote true sportsmanship in our students so as to develop their ability and drive to compete and complete the work and come out in flying colors. Therefore, we give lot of importance to the co-scholastic activities apart from the academics. We have club activities which help the students to develop and explore different attributes of their choices and help them to collaborate with each other. Communication skills of our students are really good and that makes them stand out everywhere. Another important trait of our students is that they treat everyone in the society, no matter their caste, creed, or religion, alike. We could achieve this just because Dr. Sham wanted this to happen. We realize that exams are important, but the vision of the Sham Academy is to move beyond the traditional education systems. We want to conceive those graduates who will identify and remove the problems faced in the world today and provide solutions to sustain every section of our society. Education must be practical and transformative. And at TSA, we are building our teachers and the students with the energy to face and overcome the challenges the people face today. Today, on this occasion of the Founders' Day, I request you all to stand unitedly to carry forward Dr. Elizabeth Schramm's vision to build a unique school. Thank you.
Very happy morning to all of you and wishing you a happy Founders' Day. You may have left us, but that doesn't mean we can't celebrate your life and the memories we have of you. So I feel privileged in wishing you a happy heavenly birthday. although you aren't here to celebrate it with us. I know that you are with the angels, blessing and wishing the best for all of us. I was asked to speak about Dr. Shram as I am one of the senior teachers in TSA. Yes, it is true, and I am really proud to say that I am working in this school for 16 long years. I was a person who could not continue working in school for more than 2 years. But one of the reasons that I am still here is our Shram ma'am, as we lovingly call her. Dr. Shram started the school in Park Road in the year 2000. Her vision was to create a school with a difference. The whole idea behind it is to prepare the students to identify the problems around them and also find solutions for them. She was a person of great dreams. She was a source of motivation to many of us in the Shram Academy. Apart from this, she was a humble, sweet and a loving person. A day will not be enough to talk about her. Now, let me share an experience of mine with her. On the day of my appointment, I was told that I will be called to meet the chairperson. To tell you the truth, I dreaded the day because I was too scared. I waited every day praying that I should not be called. Then after a week, I was called and was asked to go to the Park Road campus where I had to meet Dr. Shram. I reluctantly entered the gates of the campus. I was shown the room where she was sitting. I went inside and wished her. She immediately stretched her hands out and gave me a strong handshake with a broad smile and said, "Welcome, Manju." Then she took me around the campus and asked me for suggestions. I was totally shocked to see such a down-to-earth person. I could not believe because in the previous schools where I had worked, I could see the chairman only in general meetings and school functions. This first experience with our Shram ma'am gave me the confidence and happiness that I have landed in the right place. From then on, my journey started and I sailed comfortably well. Throughout my journey, I had many experiences with her, which I would have liked to share, but as I had mentioned earlier, it would take a whole day for me to relate them. So, I am concluding my speech. Before I wind up, let us wish her once again. Our dearest Dr. Shram, on the day that you were born, Earth received an amazing gift. Now that you are gone, the heaven received a special angel. Happy birthday in heaven. We miss you, dear ma'am. Thank you.